A big alliance, Raj Thackeray, Uddhav Thackeray coming together for the BMC polls. MNS leader Sandeep Deshpande is joining us. So one of the main central issues of two brothers coming together is Marathi Manus and fighting for Marathi Asmita. You think getting only Marathi votes can win you the BMC election?
It's not question of Marathi votes or anything, but the way it is, they are trying to do dadagiri on us. That cannot be accepted. It cannot be tolerated. The answer will be given back. The way businesses from Mumbai, Maharashtra are trying to take to Gujarat and all these things. Gujarat the businessmen, they are trying to establish their own things in Mumbai, Maharashtra. We are not going to tolerate all these things, all this nonsense. We are going to give it back.
But as far as violence is against North Indians is concerned, now the hoardings, posters have started to come up for North Indians, batoge to katoge. So North Indians are being sent out a message, don't go with Thackeray brothers or you will be beaten up. How do you counter it?
See, I will tell them, बटोगे तो पिटोगे. अगर आप मराठी का अपमान करोगे तो बटोगे तो पिटोगे और नहीं बटोगे तो भी पिटोगे.
But you can say that this narrative which is building up can go against you because non-Marathi or other votes also are needed to MNS
See,
and
we
Uddhav.
are not saying that. I told you of the particular person who tries to insult Marathi, they will be given back. There is no second thought on it.
Congress is also not fighting with you. They are saying that MNS is opposing people who don't speak Marathi and that is not fixing.
I think they should remember their history in 1983, the way they behaved with the Sikh people. They should remember that, then talk about MNS.
Thank you. You can say that the issue of Marathi Manus is taking center stage in the BMC elections. North Indians have been given a clear message from the MNS that whoever doesn't speak Marathi has to look after themselves in Mumbai. With camera person Nitin Varne, Mustafa Sheikh for India Today.